Okay, it's playing.
All you gotta do is hold it.
Okay, wait, you guys gotta like come in. Or not.
Okay. We're gonna start it over.
I don't know how to start it over.
Just keep going.
That's what she does.
Are you ready?
We're about to watch these hoes strip.
Go.
Where's the hose at?
You can go.
But if you go low enough, Ludacris will appear in the mirror.
Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, this is fast.
Oh hell yeah! So oh shit! She pulled him down.
What do you gotta do right now?
In her lifetime. Who got these hoes? Where'd you get them off of? What corner were they on? Come on, do some stripping moves! Take them off, Bailey!
Do you want to see that thing you did? I don't know.
You look like a dog going in seizure.
What'd you say? Wait.
Go low. Let's see some ball shake.
They're like fighting. Really? No, I'm not.
Dance! Oh shit.
Oh, now it's off. You can do like something. She's like.
You guys talk too much. You're bad strippers. Oh god. I got a boner. Throw something at me. I want some panties thrown at me. Come on. Oh shit. Oh god.
Yeah, too bad. I like sitting on the sky.
These are some hoes right here. They can go low.
Wait, what's that one? She wasn't bent over. Go low! What angle talking about?
Get it, get it.
Bailey, get down.
Oh! Let's be honest.
My turn. Wait. Wait, what's that one? Like this.
That's off of Just Dance.
I know.
You're copying. Be original. That's what I'm talking about. Go low, Bailey. Oh.
Ow!
She just sucked her imaginary dick.
You gotta sit. Oh, Mariah. Yeah, she was like.
Face down, ass up. That's it.